Man, big girl. Wow, that's a beast. That's a really big fish. Just fits in the net. Wow. Yes. Look at that thing. That one's corn. I've never used bait feeder before, but in this case, in the river with the current, I just put an ounce or 2 ounce weight. This current, man, just makes it even littlest one just bend over a salmon rod like this. Awesome. There we go, little guy. Just a gash on his face, probably from the hook. Very cool. Wow. That's a nice fish. Whew. Beautiful.
Well, now that's all right now, mama. That's all right for you. That's all right, baby. Any way you do, now that's all right. That's all right. That's all right now, mama. Any way you do. Well, my roll my britches, roll 'em above my knees. Strutting my jelly baby now with who I be. Now that's all right. That's all right. That's all right.
Really good
now,
fish.
mama.
As big as the others, though.
Any way you do. Yeah. are, man.
There we go. Got that one. Oh shit.
Well, my mama, she done told me. Papa told me.
Oh, another
too.
beast.
This woman you got, son, now ain't no friend to you. Now that's alright. That's alright. That's alright now, mama. Anyway,
Oh,
you
beautiful fish.
dee-da-da, dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-da,
Tired.
dee-dee-dee.
Don't
Now
jump.
that's
Bring it up.
alright.
Thanks you. Thank you. Thank
That's
you.
alright.
Nothing wrong with it at
That's
all.
alright now, mama.
Very nice.
Anyway you do.
Finally. Oh, this big fella's worth the wait. 5 misses in an hour before I hooked my first one. I don't know if I can just keep it on. Oh, it's a nice thick fish. Got it. That's a good fish. 22, 23 inches. There we go. Oh, that's a beautiful fish. Okay, I'm happy now. That's worth the wait. Feels like a good fish. Yeah, it's a really nice fish. Oh, awesome fish. Gotcha. Oh, look at that fish, huh? Beaver, beaver, beaver. He's a train. Freaking cool. Good thick fish for the river. Awesome.
Portions of this video were recorded with Pivot Head Video Recording Eyewear, the 2012 Gear of the Year.
I'm fishing the lake so blue, come and join my crew. You could be catch of the day at DuPageAngler.com. That's a wrap!